interactive student life has always been at the heart of Horizon Campus, be it academic or social. Our students are encouraged to engage in peer discussions, counseled through higher education and career opportunities to achieve their highest potential. With an unprecedented COVID-19 outbreak and the country reopening its educational institutions, Horizon Campus has taken all health and safety measures to facilitate its students to smoothly transition from ongoing online lectures, from mandatory mask requirements, social distanced lecture rooms, clustered student batches maintaining minimum number, shared spaces overseen with required health protocols. To synchronized online learning approach, Horizon Campus eagerly awaits its students after 1.5 years. Welcome to the new normal. Welcome back to Horizon Campus.